we're going to do is make a new job ticket template for it that's going to run on a 2028 sheet with a finish size of 6x9, 24-page saddle stitch. So I'll begin the process by selecting an existing ticket and making a copy of it. Now I'm just going to rename this template so we know what it is later. It's going to run on a 2028. The finish size is going to be 6x9, 24 pages, and it's a saddle stitch. Click OK. This will go ahead and create the job, allowing us to go ahead and edit and update the job ticket information. I'll go ahead and start with the section setting, telling it what is the proper page size, 6x9. Number of pages is 24, and this is going to be the binding type of saddle stitch. Click Save. And now we're going to go to the final imposition to update the imposition schemes. Under Import, it opens up the Imposition Manager, allowing you to create a new imposition. And I'm going to go ahead and rename this so we could use this ticket again in the future. So I'm going to call it H, so the Heidelberg Press, 2028, 6x9, B for bleed, and then it's what it is, 24-page saddle stitch. So I'll start with the top, number of pages, the page size is correct, saddle stitch is correct. Click Next. The first signature that we're going to build is going to be the 8-page sheet wide or saddle stitch. So it's went ahead and selected. It's using the Heidelberg plate as default, 2028, one of the most common sheet sizes. So we'll go in here, and we're going to start at the top by going through my page settings. We want to make sure that we're using a page setting that has 0 on the spine. So we have them both set up at 0 at the spine, but there's bleed all the way around the face and the top and bottom. So I'll click OK. Now if I go ahead and select my page styles, it's going to tell me what layouts are available for that style. Click right here. This is going to drop the correct position. It's going to show that there is no bleed on the spine. If I hit Next, I'm going to go ahead and go to Accessory Set, make sure I select my 4-color work and turn, apply the layout. Now I have the right mark set here. I will click OK. And now what I have to do is I have to build my 16-pager in here. So I click here. This one, I want to make it a sheet-wise, so I'm going to turn off the work and turn button. The plate size and sheet size will automatically be updated. Allow me to go in. If I check my layout, my bleed margins settings, it is still the same with the 0 on the spine. Now I can go to my JDF catalog and select my correct imposition. This is the correct imposition that we want to use. I can select Next. Now, if I notice, this mark set is only for the front. So I want to go to my Accessory Manager, and I want to select one that has marks on the back also, which is my 4-color 4CB_default. Hit Apply to Layout. Okay. So that updated the information with the correct mark set. I also have to make sure that we have the correct number of signatures in each layout. So since this is the 24, I'm going to make that 1. So it's going to show a 1 signature, which is an 8-pager, and the next one, which is a 16. In order to view both signatures together as a proper layout, I click right here, and it shows exactly how these are going to be laid out in the final imposition. So I could click OK. Click OK again to select that imposition. And now all the imposition signatures have been updated. I could save this ticket. It's going to go ahead and update that, allowing me to make it active and give me the ability to drag my open up this job, and now it's going to show me the layout. It gives me the ability to show that the pages are coming in, and I can wait for it. It just finished with the import, and now it's going ahead and it's trapping these pages. And just give it a second here, and it'll be done with the trapping. So it's trapping all 24. As we're waiting, we can see that under registered files, that it did go through successfully through the pre-flight. It shows that there's 4 colors, 1 spot. Okay. If I jump back to my output window, this will show that we're just going to wait right here for the status to make sure when this job is available. It'll update these signatures here in just a minute here. So it's bringing them in. I can also see under my register window, okay, it's complete now. So if I go back to my output, it will go ahead and show that these files have updated. Just a second here. Okay. Stop right there.
You want me to stop the video, right? Oh, there you populated. Also, I don't understand why you should be getting any spot color in this document.
I'll tell you right now.
Okay.
Okay, it just took a second to update. Yeah, maybe we could edit the end of that one and just merge it back. Do you know how to do that?
Not on the fly. I'd have to look into that.
It's really easy. You just update it in. We can start, because I don't want to redo from there. What we'll do is we'll just stop it at that point, and then we'll say once the pages are. I'll show you how to. I can fix that for you if you send that to me.
I'm talking about the video. The video?
Yes, the video. Yeah, I can fix it on the Mac on the tools.
Okay, it's still running. That's what I'm saying. I haven't stopped anything yet.
Yeah, stop now.
Stop?